children. Now this is 8th class social studies. So in this 8th class social studies we are in the 7th lesson, money and banking. What is that? Money and banking. So in this lesson I said first before we created the money, that is paper money or coins, the people used to exchange their goods. Okay, that system is called barter system. What it is called? Barter system. In that barter system, how people exchange? Because if a man has ragi, if he needs mango, he will go where the mangoes are there. That means if the person have mangoes, then this man will talk. That means with mutual understand, they are exchanging goods each other. But in this system, so many problems will arise. So that is why people started. That means this barter system, the people, they are exchanging only goods. But that goods, for example, vegetables are there, fruits are there, okay, animals are there. That means cattle, okay, food grains are there. So to store, it is very difficult. It is one of the problem to store these all things. Next one, to carry from one place to another place, these goods, very difficult process. So that is why people started to mint, that means create or made coins. What coins they made? They made of gold, silver, bronze, copper, etc. Silver coins are there, bronze coins are there, gold coins are there, etc. After we developed and we created paper currency, I showed already in the previous class 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupee, okay, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 rupees, etc. Okay, children. Now look at here, early bankers. Now, early bankers. For example, in our India, Bengal, Jagat Seths are there. Who are that? Jagat Seths. So these are very famous. Okay, children. Jagat Seths. Next one, Shash. They are in Patna. What? Where? Patna. Next to Arunji, Nathji, Arunji, Nathji. They are in Surat. Surat means in Gujarat. Patna means in Bihar. Bengal means in West Bengal. Okay, children. Next one, Chettiars. These are famous in Madras. So from different parts of our country, in Madras, in Bengal, in Patna, okay, etc. places, these people act as bankers. Okay, children, they are trustee. That means the people believed these men. They are giving on the basis of promise the money to the traders. Even the traders also they believed. Okay, children. So that is why they are famous in our country. Next one, they issued receipts. They issued receipts. So people also believed, businessmen or traders also believed, if the receipt will issue by these Jettiars, Chettiars, next to Shashu, Jagat Seths, etc. The traders believed. Why? Because they will again pay, or these Chettiars are, these are, again they will pay the money. Okay, children? These are called hundis. What they are called? Hundi. Hundi means one of the letter, it was written the particular so and so amount who are issuing and on which date they will pay the amount, etc. Okay, children? Next one, in 1606, at Amsterdam, where Amsterdam, children? In Europe. Do you know, children, Holland or Netherlands? So Netherlands capital is Amsterdam. So in that Amsterdam, some people they organized one business activity. they collected the coins, gold coins. How many types of coins are there? 846 coins are there. So these 846 coins with types of coins, they are issuing and they are receiving. Different countries people came. That means different countries traders are coming and they are taking, okay, instead of goods, okay, and they are selling goods and they are receiving instead of these goods some coins. They are called gold coin. Some people believed, some people suspected these coins, okay, about their weight, their quality, whether it is pure or not pure, adulterate, etc. Okay, children. So that is why at Amsterdam these traders they make the traders honestly and they deal the traders honestly. Okay, children. So that's why they believed, and this system started as banks in the world. Okay, children. When at Amsterdam in 1606, they honestly did the business with the traders. Next one, they deposited. The traders are depositing their gold coins in them. Okay, so that place is called bank. Okay, that. So this is the bank history, children. Okay. Next one, modern banks. How about modern banks? Now we can see in this city many banks. So what are the main activity of the banks? If you see the bank, why the people going to bank? Okay, where we are getting the money, how we will take the money. Okay, children. So many processes are there to get the money. We are depositing some money in the bank. We are create one account in the bank. So every month, what is our excess amount? Okay, children, we are depositing money in the particular bank. What are the banks nowadays? We hear State Bank is there, Corporate Bank, Syndicate Bank, okay, Andhra Bank. So many ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank. So many banks are there nowadays. In our country, Reserve Bank is head of the bank, Superior Bank. It will supervise all remaining banks. Okay, children, in our country. Now look at, children, depositing. Here banks, commercial banks are there. First, commercial banks. So what is the meaning of commercial banks here? So the money is depositing by the public. Okay, children, the public will deposit the money in this bank, and this bank will give loans to the depositors. Okay, children. So these banks are called commercial bank. If we deposit some amount in that particular bank, they will give some interest to the depositors. If we take loan from the bank, they will collect more interest from the depositors. Are you understood, children? So that is the main activity of the banks. What are the two main activities of the bank? Receiving deposits from the customers, issuing loans to the depositors. Okay, children? So these are the two main important duties of the bank. Depositing. So they will keep the money. Okay? So here saving account is there. AC means account here, children. Okay, children? So when we open the saving account, what will happen? We have to deposit some amount. Whatever the amount is, okay? They will give some interest. Why we are depositing amount in that particular banks? Because in the banks the amount is safe. That is the main important. Why the people they do not store more money in their houses? Because there is no security in houses. If we deposit in the bank will give security to that amount, and also they will give some interest. Okay, children. So that is why people usually believe the banks, and people they are always depositing their money only for the safety purpose. And if the depositors may need any amount, the banks also will give loans on the basis of interest. Okay, children. So that is next here. BSBDA, that means Basic savings bank deposit account. Here, if the balance is even the zero, are you understood, children? Or even the minimum balance, okay, they will allow you every month for withdrawals. Okay, even they will issue checks also. That is called BSB DA. What it is called? BSB DA. What is the meaning here? Basic Savings Bank Deposit Account. Okay, children. Even though in your account there is no balance, that means zero balance, they will give some amount after they will collect the amount from us. Okay, children. Next, children, small account. Here, the small account basically they will give credit below 1 lakh within 1 year, children. Below 1 lakh within 1 year, children. But we have to maintain at least in our account 50,000 rupees, children. Okay, so we will have to withdraw the amount 10,000 rupees. Okay, so the duration of this saving account, small account, is 12 months only, children. Sometimes they will extend another 12 months, children. Okay, so that is about small account, children. Next, children, checks. What is the meaning of check? Check also one type of paper. In that check, the bank will give these checks to the depositors. If you deposit money in the banks, every month some amount, whether it is 10,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, about, okay, etc., the bank will give you one check. Okay, so if you want to give money, you need not give money directly, okay, to the persons. If you give the check, on the check you must write the details, how much amount you are going to give, and what is your account number, and what is the bank, etc. And you must give signature, children. So if the person will take this check to the bankers will receive this check and they will give the amount to that concerning person. This is called check, children. Okay, children. Next, current account. What is that? Current account deposit, children. So here current account deposit means some people they will do day-to-day transactions in their life. For example, businessmen, traders, company owners, industrialists, okay, children, shopkeepers, shop owners, etc. So they will take money at the end of the day after their business, they will deposit some amount. Every day they are depositing and every day they are withdrawing some amount for their business activity. To run the business activity, they will withdrawing and depositing that amount. So this is called current account deposits. What they are called? Current account deposits, children. Okay, children, now I want to show you here the check and bank. Once you look at here, now children, once you look at here, so this is the bank, children. So customers, some customers are there here, some are waiting. So here clerk is issuing, I think issuing, or these persons are depositing their money. Okay, children. So one bank manager is there. Okay, some clerks also there. So what is the main activity of the bank? Depositing money from the depositors, issuing loans to the depositors. If you deposit money, they will give some interest. If you take a loan from the bank, they will collect more interest, children. Are you understood, children? Okay. Now once you look this check, children, page number 83. So now this is the check, children. It was issued by State Bank of Hyderabad. Look at here, the address is there. Next, children, look at pay. Here you write down the name and here you write down the date. What is the amount you write in figures and you mention here the particular amount, 1,75,000 rupees. after you must sign here, children. So without sign, the check may not receive by the banks. Okay, children. So that is about check, children. Okay, children. I shall teach you the remaining lesson in the next class. Thank you.